Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a homepage on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Pokémon Go. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all.